Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how you can create Google Tag Manager account and you can set up your Tag Manager account, or how you can connect your Tag Manager account with your website. So let's see. Firstly, you have to go Google Tag Manager website. If you are new, then you have to sign in with your Gmail account, then create, then click on create account and type your website name, simple tax uk. I'll set up this website right now. I'll copy this link, then I will set up, select country will United Kingdom, because this site is United Kingdom based. And then set up website, mind it, you cannot type https. You can type only www dot if your website have. Then click web. If you have for iOS, Android or others, then you can select others, then press on create. Then you can read all the terms of service if you need, or you can just click on here, then press click on yes, then you will get your account ready. Here is your account. You can paste this code into your website. So let's see how we can set this code in header option. If your website is WordPress, then you can go in appearance, then select theme file editor, then you have to select header.php, then here is header. You have to paste this code here. Here is the code. Then you can click on update file, but we will not set up Google Tag Manager this way. We'll set up with a plugin. So click on plugin and add new plugin and search here Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Then you will find this one, GTM for WP, Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Install now and click on install plugin. You will see this plugin here. Then you have to active this plugin. Active. After activation this plugin, you will see in setting option Google Tag Manager. Then you have to type the Google Tag Manager ID. So here you will get Google Tag Manager ID, or you can just copy this ID from here. and paste here. If you off here, then you cannot track, or this will not connect it. Okay, you have to mind it, you have to on. Save now, save sense. Here is off, I have to on it. Then I can check now if Google Tag Manager connected with my website properly. So you have to, you can use this Google Chrome extension named Google Tag Assistant Legacy. I will just reload now. Here, yes, result of tag analysis. Google Tag Managers is properly connected with my website. So if you have any question, you can comment or you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.